This AI-generated nail art is driving me crazy for months because it's almost impossible to recreate it, until finally I came across these tips that look exactly like what I was looking for. They have 7 different styles, and I really wanted to order the long ones, but the longest ones are a little weird because they have only few facets and they're like half diamond. So I decided to go with coffin shape, and then I picked the longest almond shape that they have. The box looks so cute, and normally I never smell tips because this is just something tips don't really have, but these tips have horrible smell. It's like some kind of weird plastic. I don't really know how to explain it, but you just cannot not pay attention to it. The coffin one is so pretty. According to my previous experience, I already know that we're supposed to apply the color underneath, so we keep these facets sharp. With the blue color, it looks pretty. But even though they have 12 sizes, the biggest one is still too small for my thumb. Since it's so small, it feels like it's about to pop off any second. So unfortunately, this shape is not working for me. Let's try another one, and luckily this one fits on my thumb. They're still kind of short, luckily not shorter than my actual nail bed, but still I wish they were a bit longer. They look really cute with just one color, but I really wanted to recreate design with a chrome powder. If we want to keep these facets, we need to apply a super thin layer of the top coat, cure it, and then add the chrome powder. It looks so pretty. Now this is the look I was trying to recreate for so long. And if you try different shades and colors, you definitely can recreate a different kinds of pictures you've seen generated by AI. However, this glass transparent look is almost impossible to recreate because we have a nail underneath, so they're not going to be completely see-through transparent glass nails. So I have mixed feelings about these tips. They're kind of pretty, but there's something wrong with the sizing, and I have a feeling that they're really low quality. But this is the kind of design you're not going to have every day, right? For 1 or 2 times is probably fine. I've seen such a cute color displays on the beauty show and decided to order them too. But it seems like they arrived broken, or are these just 2 pieces? No, they're definitely broken. Oh well, I think it's still going to work as a half swatch. And if we look at the top, they look a bit cloudy. And also I can see some texture. Do you guys think we can steal someone's information with these fingerprints? Let's apply the colors and see how it looks. I have a feeling that with this kind of swatch, any jelly, glitter, and bright colors are going to look so pretty, and I was right. It looks nice, but this cloudiness, it's still there. So I really wish they were like completely glass transparent see-through. But there's another issue. This kind of swatches, they look so attractive for nail technicians because we see them, we want them. 90% of my clients, when they're choosing the color, they take the swatch and they try to fit it onto their finger to have a feeling on how it's going to look on their nails. And with this swatch, it's obviously not going to work because the square shape is nothing like the finger shape. That's why I have a little doubts if it's going to be a great idea for the salon. However, it's definitely going to look great in the interior. Let me guys know, how do you usually display your gel polish colors? Once I saw this ring for piercing, I realized that I need this because I was about to do my project dynamic square shaped nails, so I needed to do a lot of nail piercing. And this is how it works. You put it on your finger and then you can keep another ring in there so it's not going anywhere. So you can close it, you can open it. But when I started doing this piercing in nails, I realized that you don't really need it because once you put this ring inside of the tip, it kind of stays there. So the only tool you really need for piercing is the tweezers. So I assume this is more for people who do jewelry or different kinds of crafts, but for nails I didn't really use it. So it took me half of my entire day to do these nails because there's a lot of this piercing involved, but I didn't even use the ring. I ordered a whole bunch of press-on nails with different colors, bright pastel shades, more traditional shapes like black, white, silver, green, as well as black matte tips. And these are extremely affordable. I think these were like a couple dollars. So why do I need them? I've been so many times in a situation when I'm working on something. I'm trying some new products on my nails, and then I need to appear in the video and have my nails, and I don't have time for it. Press-ons are a great solution here, and I really needed the ones with just one solid color. Surprisingly, they feel so comfortable, even better than those diamond tips. These were way cheaper, but I have a feeling they might be even better quality. However, I do not intend to use them for long wear or anything. This is simply for the looks. Sometimes some other people who appear in my videos, I just need them to have this visual of the nail, so this is mainly what I ordered them for. Colorful glitter top coats are such a trend now, and this is Milky top coat with shimmer and no sticky layer by Xu or KSU Nails. This brand has a very special meaning to me because it was created by my student. I was training her for the competitions in Russia, and then we went to Hong Kong and the US, and she competed and won the competitions, and now she created her own brand. I'm the person who is willing to pay more for the products if they're going to save me at least 30 to 60 seconds of my time, and colorful top coats are about that. Let's say your client wants the color with a shimmer, and of course you probably have a shimmer gel polish or gel, but if you add it, it's like another layer, it's another coat, and it's more curing time. But if you have top coat with a shimmer, you can decrease 2 layers into 1. So let's apply it on top of this pretty blue color, and it's almost invisible in this regular camera light. It also looks awesome in my bathroom light, which is probably the worst lighting ever. I mean, if you look in the mirror, it just looks terrible. But this glitter looks awesome. Silicone applicator. This is a repurchase. I already tried them. They were amazing. I love them, but I destroyed them because I was working too hard and I ripped them first time with stilettos and then with the sharp corner of the square nails, I believe. It's so soft and squishy, and for me this is just perfect for applying chrome powder because it technically imitates the shape of the human finger. It's also super easy to reach the areas such as cuticle area and sidewalls, and also it allows you to use a tiny amount of the chrome powder so you are not overusing this. I also have seen that they are commonly used for creating ombre, for stamping, and for transferring stickers. It is definitely working because it's so soft, it's squishy, it's technically hugging the curve of the nail plate, so we have this sticker without a single bubble. But according to their size, they're limited to the size of the sticker too, so sometimes you may use a regular stamp. Face and body glitter. No, we're not going to use it for nails. This is mostly for pretty pictures. We're going to apply it on the fingers and the hands. And wow, I didn't expect it's going to look so pretty. It looks so pretty in the dark lighting as well as outside. So once you apply the gel, then it's going to dry and you will have only the glitter remaining. I can't say that it's holding up very well, but it's not really intended for a very long stay, so it's normally just for the photo, or if you want to go to a party, I think it's going to look pretty, and I'm definitely using this for different kind of cool photos with my nails, with my clients and models. Ever since chrome nails started trending, every company is trying to invent new product that is going to be faster and easier than regular chrome powder. This gel polish is promising to have this mirror-like shine that is better than the chrome powder. So let's check it out, and once you apply it, wait a little bit, it truly turns into mirror chrome. Oh my god, if it's going to be the replacement, it's so exciting, but not so easy. Once you cure it, it gets a little cloudy. You know, like the mirror you already touched with your hands after eating chicken. And then we seal it with the top coat and it gets even more cloudy. So no, it's not going to give you this mirror-like look, but you still can use it for nail art, adding the smaller accents. Wave liner gel. Korean style nail art is trending right now, and I personally love them. And once I saw this gel, I realized that this is exactly what I need, because I wanted to create this texture on top of the nail. And when I tried using the thickest builder gels that I have, they're still self-leveling. so you're not able to create this texture that you want. And if you use a non-stick gels, they are too thick for it. So the surface is not exactly as soft as I would like it to be. So this gel is something in between, which is supposed to be my goal, and it also doesn't have a sticky layer. I really wanted to try this art where you just apply it like a brush stroke and then you seal it with this chrome gel polish again. And looks like it's working. I mean, I enjoy this kind of look. I also tried to recreate this metallic floor look when I just add lines with this gel, cure them, and then seal with this chrome metallic gel polish. Again, looks kind of cool. And also when I came across this gel on the website, this is what it looked like. And first I thought, wow, this is such a cool chameleon or chrome color, because I genuinely thought that this is the color of the gel, but no, it's just clear. So I assume these are just the colors on the background, and they look so pretty. But of course, they are on the transparent tip, and everything looks great when you have transparent tips, and it's not going to look the same on your nails because they're not a see-through. I'm still going to try to recreate this design, but I'm going to use slightly darker shades to conceal my nail a little bit. So I add some colors of the jelly, apply this gel on top. If you want more texture, then you need to apply a thicker layer. And then using the dotting tool, I create these lines, and it does look so pretty. You will be definitely seeing more designs with this gel because I really enjoy doing this texture. Let me know which of the products you enjoyed the most and what else should I try in my next episodes.